Hey everybody, just wanted to show you a quick video, shouldn't take too long, on a kind of a hammock hack that I saw online. I modified it a little bit to suit my needs. You see around on the outside I have several pecan trees. Now I can easily attach a hammock to any one of these trees, but there aren't any trees towards the middle of the property away from the fence. Over here I can attach the hammock to those two, but I'm laying right up against the fence and I'd rather be out in the yard, just a more relaxing feel. But I also didn't want a huge post sticking up from the middle of the yard like it is now. The post you see though is removable. I'm going to show you how I did this. Again, it's pretty simple, and got the idea from a few different videos online. But what I did first was dig a 3-foot hole into the ground using a post digger. The post that I have sticking out of the ground right now is 8 feet, so about 5 feet of that are going to be sticking out of the ground, so you need at least 2.5 feet below ground. Being an 8-foot post, I'm going to bury probably a little less than 3 feet. Also, what I did was take a 4-inch diameter PVC pipe, and I had a 5-foot piece from the hardware store. I cut it down to 3 feet, and if you see, the top of the PVC pipe is right about at the top of the ground. It's pretty close. At the bottom of the PVC pipe, I have a 4-inch shower drain, just a plastic drain. It's about $2 from the hardware store. I put that at the bottom because I didn't want debris from the bottom, basically dirt, rocks, concrete, coming up into the PVC pipe and not letting me push the post down all the way into it. Also, at the very bottom, I laid about 2 to 4 inches of pea gravel for drainage so the water can drain downwards. And I already have, if you can see, I already have 2 bags of concrete that I've laid. I still have one more to go, which I'm going to show you how I'm going to go about doing that. But what I'm using is the Sakrete fast setting concrete mix. $5 a bag for 50-pound bags. If you're using instead of 4-inch diameter post, you want to dig outwards, 12-inch diameter hole 3 feet down, so you're going to need at least 3 of these bags. That should get me within a couple of inches from the top of the PVC pipe, and then the rest I'm going to put the native soil on top of it and tamp it down. So let's go ahead and put this last bag in. First, I'm going to apply a little bit of water to the bottom, because the water I apply at the top will be a little more difficult for it to seep down through the concrete. The 2 bags that I have in there now, I only put in 1 liter or 2 per bag. You don't need a whole lot of water. It also rained a little bit, which I knew it would, so I put a little bit less, accounting for the rain. This quick setting is really nice because you don't have to pour it into a container and pre-mix before you pour. You just pour the bag straight into the hole and then add water to the hole. Super easy. Get it all the way around the post. Try not to get any in the post. It's another reason I have the wooden post in the PVC pipe now. One is to plug it up, and 2, I actually used the wooden post when leveling. When the initial 2 bags were setting, I just held the level up to the post. You can't hold it next to the PVC pipe because it's in the ground. Add some water. Alright, well that's drying. I'm going to show you what I'm going to insert into the top of the hole. This is just a 4-inch test cap. I'm just going to place this right into the top of the PVC pipe there. That'll prevent any dirt, rocks, anything else from getting down into the hole. I'll probably spray paint it green afterwards just to match the grass even more. As you can see, I have everything finished up. Have the hammock attached to the tree on the left, and then the pole on the right. It's about, I would say, 12 feet apart. I went ahead and laid the hammock down first and marked where I wanted the hole. If I needed to, I can always attach it to the other tree behind the one it's attached to. Works pretty good here. Go ahead and show you close up. And after I poured the third bag of concrete, there was about 4 inches, maybe 3 inches left in the hole. So I filled that up with some of the dirt that I dug out of the hole. Got about 1 inch of pipe sticking up, which is good. I won't mow over that, and when the grass goes around it, the grass will cover it up so you won't be able to see it at all. It works pretty well. I've already laid in it. It's super solid, but go ahead and do it again so you can see what it looks like. Hope you can use this little trick for your backyard or wherever you plan on putting your hammock. Thanks for watching.